Okay, number 4. Jason is playing a video game. The game uses a number line to track how much of the game a player has completed. Point J on the number line below shows where Jason stopped playing. So the first step of this this question is figuring out where this fraction is and figuring out the denominator of this number line, okay? So I'm going to count my spaces. 1, 2, 3. So the denominator of this is 3 because I have 3 spaces, 3 equal spaces on my number line. Now I'm going to count to the letter J. So I'm going to count how many spaces go between the letter J, or between 0 to the letter J. 1, 2. So the fraction, what fraction of the game has Jason completed? Jason has completed 2/3. Letter H is your correct answer. Number 5. Mr. Gonzalez works Monday through Friday, but does not work on weekends. Which equation can be used to find the fraction of the week that Mr. Gonzalez works? So he works Monday through Friday, but does not work on weekends. Which equation can be used to find the fraction of the week that Mr. Gonzalez works? Well, let's think about this one, okay? How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week, so we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so those are the days of the week that Mr. Gonzalez works. Now, Monday represents 1/7 because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 total days. Tuesday is 1/7 also. Wednesday is 1/7. Thursday is 1/7. Friday is 1/7. Saturday is 1/7. Sunday is 1/7. Okay? So, he only works Monday through Friday. So, he only works Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. How many 7ths does he work? He works 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 7ths. So here we go. Letter A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 7ths. That matches what I wrote. 1, 2, 2 7ths. 2 7ths is the days that he doesn't work. I want the days that he does work. 1/5, 1/5, 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 equals 5/5. Well, that is a true statement, but there are not 5 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 equals 7 7ths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is true, but he does not work every single day of the week. This would be the true statement if he worked Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. He only works Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So the correct answer on number 5 was letter A. Okay, we have one more question, and then you're going to get a little brain break. Cameron has 8 mechanical pencils. He shared the pencils equally among himself, Charlie, Clint, and Mitchell. What fraction of mechanical pencils did Cameron keep for himself? Cameron has 8 mechanical pencils. He shared the pencils equally. This is really important. Among himself, Charlie, Clint, and Mitchell. So that means himself, Charlie, Clint, and Mitchell. Okay? So, here, equally, every single person is going to get the same amount of pencils. Equally. Cameron doesn't get 7 pencils and then Charlie gets 1 and Clint and Mitchell get none. Cameron doesn't get 5 pencils and then Charlie gets 1, Clint gets 1, and Mitchell gets 1. Every single boy has the same amount of pencils. So I'm going to draw my mechanical pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? There are my 8 pencils, And I'm going to do Cameron, Charlie, Clint, Mitchell. Meaning Cameron got this pencil, Charlie gets this pencil, Clint gets this pencil, and Mitchell gets this pencil. Does every single boy right now have the same amount of pencils? Yes, every single boy has the same amount of pencils right now, but I still have leftover pencils. So I can give Cameron, Charlie, Clint, and Mitchell. I can give them all one more pencil. So every boy has 2 pencils. So what fraction of the mechanical pencils did Cameron keep for himself? Cameron kept 2 of 8 mechanical pencils. So Cameron kept 2/8 of the mechanical pencils. So letter H is the correct answer.